Hey, my soul friends. So think about the children in your life, whether they're your children, your grandchildren, cousins, nieces, nephews, neighbors, or just the children that you see playing on the street. Do you have a concern for them? You know, lately we've been hearing an awful lot about the movie Sound of Freedom. And if you haven't seen it, I highly recommend it. You've got to see it. I've seen it twice. In fact, I actually brought my 14-year-old granddaughter to see it. And she had some really good insights. But anyway, that's not why I'm here. I'm here because what is happening to our children, whether it's on the global scale, whether it's trafficking, whether it's child pornography, whether it's the infiltration of social media into their lives. I know if you're anything like me, that you have a real concern as to the future of your grandchildren, your children. For me, it's my grandchildren, of course, but and even if you don't know anyone personally, it's for the children of the world, right? So what is our greatest weapon? It might not feel like it, but our greatest weapon is prayer. Our greatest weapon is prayer in unity, corporate prayer. Our greatest weapon is coming together as people of God, as prayer warriors, as soldiers of the light, who are not going to sit back in fear and doubt and worry, but who are going to be like, you know, Tim Ballard in the movie, how he just formed this organization, Operation Underground Railroad, and he went out and said, that's it, I'm doing something. So I believe what we do for all of those that we have concern in our lives, for whatever they're facing, which is much more than you or I ever faced, our greatest weapon is prayer, and to come together in prayer. So Monday, August 7th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'm holding a Zoom meeting. We're coming together, we're praying for children, all the children in your lives. You bring your concerns and you lay them on the altar of prayer, the altar of surrender. That's what we're going to do. And we're going to kind of unpack and process through how do we want to respond to all of this information that we're learning about. The Sound of Freedom, that movie, it requires a response, not for us to bury our heads in fear and worry, but for us to stand strong, stand tall, come together and say, not now, not on our watch, not today, Satan. So please join me from 7 to 8, not a long time. I will put the link to register in the description or in the comments below, but you'll see it. And won't you please join us? The children in your life are depending on you. The children of the world are relying on us, right? To stand up, So in prayer. So I look forward to seeing you. And by the way, I'm Maria, just in case you don't know me and you're seeing this for the first time. I'm Maria, and we have a community, The Deeper Connection, on Facebook, The Deeper Connection Contemplative Community. Please join us. So, peace be with you. I will pray with you soon.